between Berkeley Springs, West Virginia. Let's check out this elevator.
Alright, let's check out this elevator.
We're going to go up.
Oh, there's some stairs. Let's check out the elevator though.
ETI hydraulic. ETI hydraulic.
Wait, you think it's an ETI?
ETI hydraulic motor.
Oh, I missed the door open. Let's go. We'll have to get it up on 5. Are you gonna do 4? Alright, let's check out 4.
Cause 4. Cause the maintenance. It's the stall and the bath. What? Please, dark. 4. 4.
There you go. 4.
4. Let's get off on 4.
Let me get off on 4. See what's out here?
Yeah.
Alright, let's check it out.
See that sign?
Alright, good. Check it out. Oh, smells pretty nice up here. Oh, looks like the spa might be closed. You gonna hit the button?
No.
I think it's closed, bud. Oh, look outside though. Look, there's even more.
Even more?
Yeah, you can go even higher if you walk.
Walk.
Yeah.
You can go even.
Do you want to push the button? Dad, push the button.
Okay.
Can I go up or down? Down.
Go all the way back to 1.
Go all the way back to 1? Okay, that's a good idea.
See that hallway? And see there's another elevator.
Do a little exploring.
There's a mirror.
I hear it dinging. It's pretty slow.
Yes,
I think it's hydraulic.
it's got a hydraulic motor.
Yeah, I think so too. I think you're right. The door opens pretty fast though. Pretty fast door. Alright, where are we going? 1? 1.
Slow closing.
Yeah, a little slower closing, but very fast opening.
It's a nice elevator.
Oh, I think we're stopping for some people.
We're stopping for some people. But as he pressed the button, he went.
We can peek. Maybe they got bored of waiting. It's cool.
Some pressed the button and then left.
Alright, let's keep going.
Maybe I will. That's slow. That's it.
Alright, here we go. Alright.
The Country Inn, Berkeley Springs, West Virginia. And these are the springs, which maintain a natural temperature of 70 degrees, 71 degrees, all year round. And here is George Washington's bathtub, nicknamed because George Washington took a bath here. And you can actually see the hot air bubbling up from here. look right here. There's the bubbles and really good right here. And some little fish.
Yes, please.
Hey Drake, let's go check out this women's.
Yes.
Yes. I see a butterfly? I see a butterfly too.
That butterfly.
Oh, it's a pink lady. Or a painted lady.
That's the kind of butterfly that is.
Uh-huh. Painted lady.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, look at this. It's a phone booth. You don't see that very much anymore. Watch your fingers. Oh, the light turns on automatically. It's pretty cool. Alright. Watch your fingers. You see that light turned on automatically. And if you push it, see it turn on? It's cool. Let's see this women's.
Ladies.
Ladies. Oh, it's very nice. Very nice. Oh, look at this toilet. To help people get up. Look at this toilet. Look, it's fancy. Look at the bottom of it. It's a man's, but it's Mancesa at the end. Mancesa.
Mancesa.
Westport seat. Let's look at the bottom of it. What do you think's on the other side? Same thing? It's a push door. Here, it's a different seat. Let's look at this toilet for a second. Very fancy bottom. And then Mancesa. And the seat doesn't say, no name. I give it a flash. Very nice.
Sounds a little different.
Oh, look at this. The lid of it. Here. The lid of it is very fancy. They're nice sinks. American standard. Oh, that has a nice seat too. Oh, let's wash our hands. Oh yes, very nice. There you go. Give it some washing. Try the head.
Don't say, see the phone booths there you are.
Oh, yeah, you don't see phone booths very often.
Don't see those. Actually, you like those. Turns off.
Ladies and gentlemen. Alright, go. Check them out. Alright, what do we got?
2 toilets. Double doors.
Double doors. Good. Show me how they close. Cool. Alright. Let's open them now. Let's check out this potty. What kind of potty is it?
It's a
Doesn't say.
doesn't know name.
Mayfair. Right. Let's check out the other one. Maybe this one has a name. Jacuzzi?
Jacuzzi.
What? Jacuzzi. You wanna flush it? Alright, let's check it out. Give it a flush. See how this jacuzzi flushes. Funny. I don't think I've ever seen jacuzzi before.
Yeah, we never heard of that.
Interesting. Alright, you got us locked in here. Can you unlock it? You got it. Watch your fingers. Huh? Got us pretty good. Look it out. Oh, that was loud.
I'm the cleaner.
Look at these sinks. Interesting sinks.
Huh. There. There. Look, unlock them.
Let's go out now.
Does it automatically unlock?
Nah, there's manual. We're a little stuck. It's pretty cool. This old phone booth. Did you already check out this phone booth? I feel like you did.
What's that?
Watch your fingers.
Oh,
That turns on. Are you in the phone booth?
I'm just going to do it myself.
Let's check out all this waters.
Let's check out the upstairs.
All right, well, let's go find Mom and then we'll go check out the upstairs.
All right, say bye-bye, YouTube.
Bye bye YouTube. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.